In this episode, we are going to learn about one of the five regions of Virginia, the coastal plains. Did you know that in Virginia, you can go from the mountains to the beach in one day? Well, you can. There are five regions in Virginia that have their own fun features. And in this five-part series, we're going to learn about each one. In this episode, we are going to learn about the coastal plain. Now, the coastal plain has two names, Tidewater and the coastal plain. The coastal plain is east of the Piedmont region. The coastal plain is on the coast. That means where the land touches the water. The land is also flat. There are even fun places to see on the coastal plain, such as Williamsburg and the Naval Shipyard. So now that we know a little bit more about the coastal plain, let's see if you can tell what belongs in this region. I wonder if we would find the beach in the coastal plains. What do you think? You're right. We would find the beach in the coastal plain. I wonder if we would find the mountains in the coastal plain. What do you think? No, we wouldn't find the mountains in the coastal plain. I wonder if we would find Williamsburg in the coastal plain. What do you think? You're right. We would find Williamsburg in the coastal plain. I wonder if we would find Monticello in the coastal plain. What do you think? No, we wouldn't find Monticello in the coastal plain. I hope you liked this episode on the coastal plain. Check out my other videos on the five regions of Virginia. And don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.